Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new to this channel, my name is Tofumi and I'm the creative director House of Awelewa. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do sure to subscribe to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching us how to sew a simple two-step gather skirt or pleat skirt, whichever one you choose. So this fabric I'm using is a Mikado fabric, as you can see it, and what I have here is just one trouser of the fabric. So what I'm going to do first is to fold it into four equal parts. And now I'm going to start inserting all of my measurements. So for this skirt, the length of my skirt is 25 inches and it has two steps. Both steps are of equal length, so that means that we have 12. We are supposed to have 12 and a half inches, but this skirt also has a band, a 2-inch band, so that is 25 minus 2 inches, which is going to give me 23, divided by 2 is 11.5. Remember that the fabric I'm working with is one trouser, so that means that for the first tier, that is the tier that is starting from the waist, is going to be like almost twice of my waist measurement, and that is what we have here. So I'm going to cut out this first layer first. Now for the second layer, remember that I said that the length is the same thing, like I just divided it into two equal lengths. So what I'm going to do for the second layer is that I'm going to cut double of what I have at the first layer, so that we have enough space, enough gathers at the lower part. And now this is what I have for the lower part, two pieces of 45 inches. So that means that for the lower part is going to be double of what we have at the upper part, to make it easier to pleat and to make the pleating more obvious. So now let's go to the sewing machine. So this is what we have, guys. Look at how beautiful the pleats look. So instead of gathers, I just did like small pleatings around. You can make yours gathered, or you can make, if you are good with pleats, if you are better with gathered, or if you have a ruffle foot, you can use either of that. So for the waist, what I did was I cut out my waist measurement, my exact waist measurement, and I added just 1 inch for stitching allowance, and I pleated the upper tier, the first tier. I pleated it on it in an inverted way. Do you guys notice how I did it? I placed it in an inverted way. Now to close it up, to give it a neat finishing and a neat look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this over. Can you guys see it? So what I'm going to do to give it an inverted and neat, clean look is I'm going to fold this over like this, like so, and I'm going to fold in half an inch and stitch it down like this. This is what we are working with. Can you guys see? So I'm also going to go down and hem the lower part of the skirt by folding it in with half an inch. And here is what we have, guys. Can you guys see how beautiful this stitched skirt looks?